Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Gujarat on a two-day visit. He started the day from Vadodara. Remember, this is his first visit to the home state of Gujarat after Operation Sindoor. Now, 26th of May also coincides with the first time he took over as Prime Minister in 2014. The family of Colonel Sophia Qureshi joined the roadshow in the city to welcome the Prime Minister, meanwhile acknowledging the overwhelming presence of thousands of women in Vadodara who gathered to honor the nation and its armed forces. Prime Minister Modi praised the Nari Shakti. His next step was Bhuj, where he reaffirmed India's strong belief in tourism as a means to connect people, contrasting it with nations like Pakistan that fostered terrorism instead of tourism. He closed the day with the roadshow in Ahmedabad. Let's listen in to what he said, as well as my colleague who defines and simplifies it all for us.
Well, Prime Minister has been given a heroic welcome in Gujarat. This is for the very first time Prime Minister has come up to Gujarat. There you can see in the visuals Prime Minister waving to thousands of people who have gathered to welcome Prime Minister, and it is Narendra Modi who is there in an open jeep and waving to thousands of people. It is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is receiving a grand welcome after coming to Gujarat after successful Operation Sindoor, and it is a massive roadshow which is planned in Ahmedabad today this morning in Vadodara. As he landed, he was cheered on by thousands, including 30,000 women. At a rally in Daud, Prime Minister praised the armed forces, stating that they were given a free hand during the anti-terror operations which destroyed 9 terror hubs. The family of Colonel Sophia Qureshi, a key part of Operation Sindoor, joined the rally, calling it a movement of pride as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also launched several major development projects worth rupees 82,000 crore, flagged off new trains and inaugurated a new locomotive plant. And there you can see mega hoardings of Operation Sindoor and the show of unity that entire country is together with the Prime Minister's leadership, and also with Indian Armed Forces have been placed across the different parts of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, and a large convoy now is passing by as Prime Minister is waving and completing his first day of his visit to the state of Gujarat. A rousing welcome is received by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. All around enthusiastic and energetic faces can be seen with Tiranga in their hands, and electrifying atmosphere here in Gujarat as Prime Minister concludes his first day of a two-day tour of Gujarat after Operation Sindoor. This is Aishwarya Jain for with video journalist Sanjay Kaushik for NDTV in Ahmedabad, Gujarat.